Assalamualaikum Putra, how are you? Okay, cannot hear you lah. You're on mute. We can't hear you. Okay, let me get the rest. Okay, I will just call the rest one. Else. If it's just both of us, we go through some difficult topics. If it's just both of us, okay. But let me just check. Just wait for one more minute. One more minute. Okay. Checking who else. Okay. Why not we while we are waiting for them, you do a P5. Oh, someone's coming in. Someone's coming. So we're gonna start with area and perimeter now. Okay. So we're starting with the most basic one. All right. Neris, are you there, Neris? Okay, Neris, come turn on your video. Why you have a doll on there, Neris? Okay. Very simple, very simple. We are going to start with area and perimeter. This is supposed to be simple. And so, and Neris, why you are having a doll there? Okay. Are we ready now? If not, I will, if it's just both of you today, then I will give you, okay, come. Okay, we are going to do area and perimeter, okay? Now, first of all, area is measured, Cashel is joining in. CM, square CM. Okay, Neris and Utra, you all know the difference, huh? This one here, and there's nothing here. This one means you take, let's say I take, Utra, your hair, I take your hair. I'm going to use a ruler. I can measure it by cm. But down here now, if I have roti prata down here, you know the man put the roti prata, you know, I can only find the perimeter with cm. But if I do it like that, I can use squares to do so. Okay, so this now square is area, is measuring area, the space on the inside. The space on the inside. So if it's just both of you, I will give you two separate works lah. Okay. Here we go. Okay, so let us find the area of this. Very simple, Neris. Is length times breadth. That's your area. Okay, can you find straight and then length times, come Neris. What are you doing, Neris? Okay, I tell you what, maybe Neris, Neris not focusing. Okay, I tell you what, Neris, she's not playing, not the thing, so I will remove her first. Neris, you gonna do or not? Or not, I will remove you. If you cannot do, I will speak to the mom. Okay, I tell you what, never mind. You log out first, Neris, you log out, okay? And I will speak to mom later. Okay, you log out, Later I'll talk to your mom, okay? All right? Can or not? Friend is not logging out. Okay, never mind, never mind. You, because otherwise I know you. Okay,
You
there is.
can do it right.
Yeah. I will. Hold on. I will. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, we try lah. Yeah, we try this. Can you try this very quickly lah? Neris can try this, nah? You try. You see whether you can find area and perimeter. Okay, Putra, you just give me very quickly. You just send a message. You should be able to do this very quickly, right? Very quickly, yeah. So
Sure.
yeah,
This one my time.
you must times lah. Then
Oh,
comes back.
okay, I know the answer.
Okay, you send your
I do
answer.
A and B, ah.
Yeah, do A and B. In fact, you can do everything. What about Neris? Neris not here lah. Okay, I will.
Done.
Yeah. Okay, you send your answer here. Let's see. Yeah. But where is Neris? Neris is not here. Okay, well done. But your unit is cm square. Okay, so this one is chicken for you lah. Okay, I will once you why don't okay, let's say we go to the end of it lah. Since you are here. Can you try D?
This one need to find perimeter.
You're supposed to find I didn't see area and perimeter. Perimeter, yeah, perimeter.
Need to plus all.
Need to plus all on the outside.
Ah.
Okay, you done already? Finish, eh? Not yet, right? Okay. You
sure.
Yeah.
This one, wait. This one, this part need this corner side.
Okay, let's see. Now down here. Neris, okay, you are there. Let's see, yeah. This one, yeah, you okay, perimeter is the thing on the outside, lah. Okay. This plus this plus this plus this plus this plus this plus this. You have to add all of those lah. So is it 22, Neris? Are you sure it's 22? You try. Are you sure? I think it's more than 22. Where are all the students now? I don't know. Where are all the students? Neris, come. You take 9 on here, Neris. 9 plus 7. Then this one is how much? The whole thing is 7 or so, because this side is 7. This side is also 7. Right? Then they tell you this side is this one is 5. This one is 5. 21. Cannot be 21 now. Okay, now we try one by one. We want try one by one. Okay, from here to here is 9, correct? From here to here is 7. So 9 plus 7 already is the first one. Putra, what's your answer? First one is 9 plus 7. Then down here is how much? And this one is 7, because this side is also 7. So we plus 7. So down here now, down here, from here, this one, you see, I put this one down here. Can you see now? This one here, and this green, the green part. This is equal to 9, So you can plus 9. You can see now. This is the same as this plus this plus this. It's 9. And then you have 5 plus 5. This is your answer, and then you must add all them together. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. 19 plus 7, 26. 26 plus 7, 33. 33 plus 9, 42 meters. Okay, this is 42 meters. Okay, maybe it's too tough. I do not know for both of you. Let's try now. We will try another one. Okay, we try another one. Watch, which is an easier one. We go for slightly easier one. Okay, this one is area, but we have perimeter. This one is perimeter. Can you try perimeter for this one, please? Okay. Come, Nelly, try next. And Neris, cannot Neris? Putra can? What's your answer, Putra? Wait, okay. Neris, you see this one? You must plus a 9. Must plus to the next one. What is it? Yes, you have plus because it's one perimeter. Just now was area, now it's perimeter. See perimeter? Perimeter means the line on the outside. Okay, the line on the outside. So you plus this one, you plus this one, then you must also plus this one. All that you know, like you can plus this one, plus this one. That's the perimeter, the outline. Perimeter means outline. There is actually a shortcut to do this. But we do the long way first. If Putra knows the shortcut, he can give the answer within very fast. If you don't know the shortcut, it take a longer time. DE. DE. DE is not 12. DE here. You see, down here is 12. This one is 9. This one is 6. So now below it will be how much? 9 is the whole thing. Minus 6. You get 3 down here is 3. Okay. Down here is 9, right? From here to here is 9. This is 6. So 9 minus 6, you get 3. This then is 3. Because this plus this give you this. This is 3. And this one, 12 minus 6 equals to 6. You must be able to do that. Come, Putra, what about you, Putra? Come on, boys, boy and girl. Okay, so I'm going to write it down now. I do not know whether are you all paying attention or not. I'm just worried. I don't know. This is 9.
I don't know.
9. This is 12 plus 12. So once you have plus them, you can put a tick, you can mark them. And then plus 6 on here. Okay, mark. Then plus another 6. How do we know this one is 6? 12 is the long one. Minus 6 is 6. So you get plus another 6 here. Then you plus 3 here. Then you plus the last 6. You see, if we indicate, we can see how many we're supposed to plus. So you add them together now. 9 plus 12, 21. 21 plus 6, 27. 27 plus 6, 33. 33 plus 3, 36. 36 plus 6, 42. Again 42? Yes, again 42. I can show you another way of doing it. I'll show you another way. Okay, I will just copy first, later I will close the screen. Then you can see. You don't need actually the other parts. Actually. This is 12. This is 9. Okay, you see down here. Can you see now? If I only know these two numbers is enough really. Why? This is also 12. Can you see now? This rate plus this rate is equals to 12. You see? If I put the rate here until here, the line goes until here. And then this one now I put it up here, the line goes until here. Can you see? So it's 12 is made up of this rate and this rate. So this plus this together becomes 12. So I can take 12 plus 12. And then this one is this other side now. If you look at it carefully, this one and this one is equals to 9. Can you see that? This plus this is equals to 9. You see, if you put it here and you put this here, you get 9. So I just need to get 12 plus 12 plus 9 plus 9. 12 plus 12 plus 9. 12 plus 12, 24. 24 plus 9, 33. 33 plus 9, 42. Just now we got 42. No? Notice I don't need all these other numbers actually. Sometimes, in this case, we don't need. So now you try the next one. You try this one. Are you okay? Miss Neris? You try this one, Neris. Why you turn off your video, Neris? You're going to play the dollar. This is now for your studies, you know. You got to catch up. If you don't study now and try now, what do you think is going to happen next year? It's going to be tougher and tougher. So I know you are playing the because maybe you feel embarrassed or shy. You're not so sure what to do, but I can teach you step by step if you want to. Because in school, the teacher doesn't have the time to focus, right? There's so many students in school. So for tuition, this is a time now for you to learn. Okay, Putra, what's your thing? You can use whatever method you want, huh? In this case, yes. Putra and Nerisam. Must find the what? Sorry, what you written? Must find the corner. You must find down here, 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 here. All this lah. You have to add all of them. You have to add all of them lah. Putra, you know how to do now, Putra? You know, right? What about Neris? Are you there, Neris? I'm there, but I don't want to be here. Don't be like that, Neris. Come on, Neris. Let's try. Studying sometimes can be tough, Neris, but once you're able to do, wow, you're gonna learn lots of stuff. Oh, Kashmir, you said 30. Okay, let's check. We check one by one. Neris, what about you? Have you tried? Down here is 10, right? Okay, so you put 10. Then down here you want to find, okay, this is 4, right? This is 4. This one is how many? We can find 10 minus 4 minus 4. 10 minus 8 is 2. This one is 2 lah. If you want to find out the part, you can find out this is 2. Then down here, the whole thing is 8. Down here is 4. What is this? 8 minus 4, this is 4 also lah. 8 minus 4, this is also 4. Now you can add them together. 10, we already put 10 plus 4. Notice I mark. When I write down, I mark plus 2. Okay, I put the 2 first. I mark. Plus 4. I mark. Plus 4. I mark. Plus 4. I mark. Plus 4. I mark that whatever that I have written, I mark. I forgot how many for 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, correct. Then plus this one is how much? This is 4 lah. Down here is also 4. Plus 4. So we count 10 plus 4, 14. Plus 2, 16. Plus 4, 20. Plus 4, 24. Plus 4, 28. Plus 4, 32. Plus 4, 36. But I can show you a shortcut of doing it. Not 30, You try see. This one, okay, so you can do this way, never mind. I don't need to show you another pattern. You must be able to get this right. This is not so difficult. You guys can do this. Okay, we try now, next one. This one. You can do this. Neris, come, try this. Come on, Neris. You want to label on here? Can label on here, no problem. Neris, you can also write on this. Can write this, no problem. Find what is this. Naris can find what is this long one on Naris. Find what is this long one. All right, someone has sent an answer. D. Hold on. Someone sent an answer. Okay, Kafir says 39. I don't think it's 39. But maybe you might be right. Maybe you might be right. Okay. What about Naris? Let us check each and every part we need to add a Naris. So what is this long part? Is 3 plus 3. How do you want to? There down here they tell you is 3 plus another 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. You put 9 on here. Okay, this is 9. So remember, this one they tell you is 3 down here. From here to here is 3, right? Then they tell you down here to here is also 3. Can you see? Down here, what about here to here? Do we know? Well, the whole thing is 8. And down here, we need to know down here. How? This one is 2 cm. This is 5 cm. 5 minus 2 down here is 3. This one is 3. How do you know 3? 5 minus 2. You get 3. Now, how to find this one now? 8 minus 3. You get 5. From here to here is 5. So I'm going to remove the part is you don't need to add. Only those you need to add. So we mark as we add. As we add, we mark. 9. Sorry. Okay, 9. We put 9 on here. Plus 8. I must write first actually. Okay, then plus, next one after that, plus 3 down here. Plus 3. Then next one, plus 5. And then plus, next one is 3, plus 3. Then the next one, plus, down here. Next one is here, what? Plus 2. Next one down here, plus 3. And then you have plus the last one, plus 5. So we must try down here. Okay, down here. 9 plus 8, 17. 17 plus 3, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. 25 plus 3, 28. 28 plus 2, 30. 30 plus 3, 33. 33 plus 5, almost there, Mr. Putra. 38. Missed by 1 lah, Putra. But Putra, you got to make sure you get it right, Putra. Okay, this is not so tough, Putra. Come on, Naris, you must try that, Naris. Okay, come on, you can do this, Naris. You can do this. I believe you can do. Okay, Naris, I will have to see you tomorrow for extra class. Okay, I will message to your mom. Extra class will be me and you alone, no, Naris. And Naris, what are you doing, Naris? Alamak, Naris not concentrating lah. Naris, if you don't concentrate, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to stop you, I'm going to stop you from the class. Then you have to get your own tuition teacher to come to your house to teach you. So, yeah, otherwise we got no discipline, we learn nothing. So I want to teach you. I'm going to put in more time to teach you, but you got to make sure that you also cooperate with me lah. If you're not going to cooperate, I will say bye-bye to you. I'm telling you now. Tomorrow, I will tell your mom I want to see you at 4:45 tomorrow. 4:45 to 5:30, I will teach you one-to-one. special for you. But if tomorrow you play a fool like this, Neris, I'll get very angry. Because you don't understand now. You're playing your doll. I know you don't understand. But you must try. You don't try, how are you going to improve? Okay, come. We go into area now. Area. Before we move into area, we go to the easier part of area. Okay. You all know how to do area, right? So this will be easy for you, Mr. Putra. Okay, we are going back to very basic, very basic stuff now. To find what is the area. Okay, now down here. Okay, we are going back right to the beginning. This now they tell you, just now we started. Area means you find the number of squares. 6 times 4, 24. 5 times 9, 45. You must know now. This is now the area. 5 times 9. Length times breadth. You get area. That's now is perimeter. What is area? Area is the EC inside. Area is the EC inside, the space inside. How to get the space inside? Length times breadth. So that one is 24. Well done. 6 times 4. But it's not the outside, you know. Because the outside is not 6 times 4. Outside is 6 plus 4 plus 6 plus 4. Okay? So now we move on. We move on now. We try now the next one now. Okay, we are gonna have a more difficult one here now. Okay, so now down here, can you find the area of this place? Okay, let's say they find area. They ask you to find area. This is still very easy. Can you find the area? Come on. Nearest you can do. Length times breadth only. Length is the longer part. Breadth is the shorter part. Come on, Nearest, you can do it. Don't give up. Don't give up, okay? Okay, Kashfir, so easy for you lah. So Nearest, you take length 5 times 2. When you times means you find the area. What you want to find? You want to find the EC on the inside. This is the EC. This is the EC, okay? This is the EC. 5 times 2. Okay, so Kashfir says it's 10. This one, 6 times 9. You get the area. Okay, tomorrow I'm going to test you on this one, Alice. Okay, today of course there's 2%, so yeah, I need to balance the time between both of you. But tomorrow will be you alone, so 6 times 9. But I know you might tell your mom, I do not want to attend that one. Don't be like that. You must face it. Otherwise, in school you don't know what's happening. You don't know what's happening. I know how it feels if you don't know what's happening. You feel very confused, feel very lost in class. Everyone understands, you don't understand. How does it feel? It doesn't feel good, right? Okay, we try now. Perimeter. Perimeter, this plus this plus this plus this is 24. They already give you the perimeter. They want you to find the length. Can you find the length? Okay, again, they give you, this is also 3, yeah? You do not know these two parts. How to do this? Okay, Mr. Putra says it's 8. Is he correct? Let us see, yeah? Let's see whether he's correct now. He says 8. I'm going to write 8 down here. I'm going to write 8 down here because he said both of these is 8, 8. I will add them up, okay? 8 plus 3, how much you get, Putra? 8 plus 3 is 11, right? So this we plus already. Then we must plus another 8. We plus another 8. Get 19. Okay, good. 19. Getting closer. Then 19 plus 3. You get 22 lah, Putra. Not 24. 22. Okay. All right. So now how to do this question? So this is not the right answer. 8 is not the right answer. What is the right answer? Let us see. we have to try to think now. Okay, how
Is
to try?
it?
Yeah, is it?
Is it 9?
9, okay. Most probably is 9 lah. Okay, it's 9. So how to do? We take perimeter 24 minus 3 minus 3. So now at first you have a rectangle like that. Sorry. You have a rectangle like this. I draw a rectangle. Okay. Okay. And then now you minus the 3. You minus another 3. You are now left with the balance these two. Okay, so how much is the answer? 11 minus 24 minus 3 is 21. 21 minus 3 is 18. So this 2 is 18. This plus this is 18. 18 meters. So what is one? One length. Divide by 2 lah. You divide by 2. You see, I don't know how to divide by 2. What times 2 equals to 18? 9. So this is correct, 9. Now this is how you find the length. Okay. All right, we move on. We move on to the next one. Okay, we try next one. Okay. So Putra, you should be getting this right, Putra. Okay, this is considered quite not so difficult, you know. Can we try this one now? Neris, come, you try this one, Neris. Okay, let's see. What did Putra say? Okay. You say it's 10, This one is 10. But this one is shorter than this, you know. How come it can be 10? Don't joke lah. You see, this one now down here. The whole thing, this one is 9. This one is shorter, you know, Putra. What about Neris? Come on, Neris. Neris feel confused, Neris. So I may have to spend lots of time with you, Neris. But again, I agreed. Tomorrow, I'm going to see you. Your mom has said, okay. So tomorrow, you got to start and you got to try your best. Okay. So Neris, this one is how much this one? You know how much this one? This is 9 or so. So if you have a rectangle now, and they tell you, you have a rectangle down here, this is 9, this is 9. And we do not know what these two are. We don't know what this is. But we know 9 and 9 plus this and plus this give you 28. So let's take 28 minus 9 first. 28 minus 9, what do we have left? When you minus 9, you have these 3 lines left. And what is the length of these 3 lines? If you minus, you get 19. Then you minus this other 9 because you know it's 9. You minus. Then you get what? You will get 19 minus 9 because we just minus 9 right just now. We just minus 9. So now 19 minus 9 you get 10. So Putra say this is 10. Putra forgot to do something Putra. Putra is not for one breath, it's for 2 breaths. 2 breaths is 10. You must divide by 2. Next step you must divide because there are 2 of this. You must divide by 2. What do you get? You get 5. This is 5. This is 5. Can you see? Putra, can do now, Putra. Putra not focus lah, Putra. You know how to do now, Putra. Because there's 2 persons only today, you got to make sure that you understand even better. Sometimes there's 4%, 5% might be more difficult, right? To understand. But now I can cater to you individually, both you and Neris. Okay, so now we try this one, perimeter again. This is 10. Okay, you try now, you try. Neris can do not Neris? Remember, Neris, perimeter is what? Is the thing on the outside, the outline. This is the line on the outside is perimeter. This is perimeter. Area is different. Area on the inside. Perimeter is outside. The outline is perimeter. What about Putra? Let's see. Putra can do no, Putra. 12. You're making the same mistake again, Putra. Putra makes same mistake. Why you make same mistake again? Let us see. Neris can get on Neris. Neris turn on a video already. And tomorrow cannot turn on a video. You turn on the video, I will stop immediately. Today I still give you chance lah. Because you know why? Because I know how you feel, Neris. Inside you feel, I don't understand what's happening. That's what you're telling yourself. I don't understand. I do not know. Malas lah. That's how you feel. But don't give up yet. Don't give up yet. I see you can dance very well. When you dance very well, hey Putra, turn on your video. If you're going to turn on your video, I'll stop the soul session now. Neris, we still give her a chance lah. Okay, because she's very shy. Her sister very shy. That's why the problem. That's why I want put what? Alamak, you see my headphone now dah pecah lah. Dah pecah lah. Allahu Akbar. Come on, too strong. We need to get a replacement soon. Okay, but anyway. So now down here, 32. You want to minus this one, right? How many you minus? Minus 10. And then you minus 10. Why you are minusing 10? Because you want to find out what is the balance. This one you want to find out. So you minus 10. You minus 10. So 32 minus 10 is how much? 22. 22 minus 10 is 12.
12.
So what's your answer, Putra? 12. 12 is for 2, you know. 12 is for 2. Come on, Putra. 12 is for 2. So 2 breath. This is called a breath, right? 6 then you divide by 2. Yes. You must divide by 2. Then you get 6. So each one is 6. So we can test, you know. We can test. Okay, you see. 10 plus 6 plus 10 plus 6. You will get 32. Confirm. Okay, now the students have left me all alone down here. I do not know what am I going to do, talking to nobody. Very bad now like that. How come you are going to leave your teacher all alone down here? Okay, we try now. They ask you to find the area and the perimeter. Okay. This is so far the first class that I'm having that the students, all of the students have left. And I feel like cancelling this class actually. So I may decide to cancel the class, both Putra and Neris. So come, let's try. They ask you to find the area and perimeter. Area and perimeter. Hey, you're not there. I'm going to count to 3. I'm going to cancel the class now. 1. No one, Neris, you're not going to turn on the video. Putra, you're not going to come back. I am going to turn off. Why are you turning off the video? I am very angry with both of you. Okay, never mind. I will end the class now. Okay, when you are ready to learn next week we'll try again. Today I'm going to end the class. I'm not happy with both of you. Okay, you want to leave the class, Neris, you want to turn off the video, no problem, turn off. But I'm not going to teach you anymore. Okay, goodbye.